Hey friends, if you wish to fix netio.sys blue screen error on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So the first solution is to update the network drivers. Search for device manager in the Windows search bar and open device manager. And then you can expand the list for network adapter drivers. Right click on the second one and select update driver and search automatically for drivers. The next solution is to update Windows. Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the Windows Update tab and click on check for updates in the right pane. The next solution will be to check for malware. Search MRT in the Windows search bar and click on MRT. Okay, let it load. Click on next, select full scan, click on next once again and let it run through. And the last solution is an SFC scan. So search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on run as administrator. Type the command sfc /scan now and hit enter to invoke the sfc scan. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.